how to fix Realtek audio not working in Windows 11. So if your Realtek audio isn't working in Windows 11, the issue usually comes down to drivers, settings, or conflict. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and check your sound settings. So right click on the speaker icon under the tray in here. So right click on the speaker icon, and then from here go ahead and select sound settings. So on the sound settings, make sure that your input and output are actually set into the correct devices. So under output, make sure that Realtek audio is selected. So test the sound by clicking device properties and test. So for the output, select Realtek or audio. And then to test this out, go ahead and set the volume. And then that is how you can basically check it in here. Now, another thing you can do to resolve the problem is to go ahead and update or reinstall Realtek drivers. So click on WinX on your keyboard first, and then select Device Manager from here, and then select Audio Input and Output, and then select Speakers Realtek or Audio. So right click on it, and then click on Update Driver. So if that doesn't work, you can go ahead and uninstall this and then restart your PC, and then Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Alternatively, download the latest Realtek drivers from your PC's manufacturer support site. And the last option that you have is to run the audio troubleshooter. So open settings on your Windows device, and then on the settings, head over into the system settings. And then from here, head over into the troubleshoot section. And then on the troubleshoot section, go ahead and head over to the other troubleshooters. And then run the playing audio troubleshooter and follow the on-screen instruction to fix detected issues. So the common causes of the problems would be outdated or corrupted Realtek drivers, wrong audio device selected, disabled onboard audio in BIOS, and conflicts with third-party audio software.